I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your repost on TikTok. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your TikTok feed wondering where all those amazing videos you reposted went? Maybe you want to rewatch them, show them to friends, or perhaps you're considering a little feed cleanup? No matter the reason, I'll show you how to easily find all your reposts on TikTok. Now let's walk through the steps to find your repost on TikTok. Step 1. Open TikTok on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is shown. Step 3. Tap the repost icon, which features two arrows moving in a circle. In the space below that icon, you'll now see all of the items you've ever reposted on TikTok. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.